Have you ever wondered how the universe went from a tiny, hot point to the vast cosmos we see today? In this video, we'll unravel the story of the universe from the Big Bang to now in just 9 simple steps. And at the end, I'll give you a sneak peek into the next video where we'll explore the explosive lives of stars. Ready? Let's begin. Our journey begins 13.7 billion years ago with the Big Bang. But don't think of it as an explosion. Instead, it was the rapid expansion of space itself from an incredibly hot, dense point. Even today, we see evidence of this event in the cosmic microwave background, a faint glow of radiation spread across the universe. This baby picture of the cosmos helps scientists piece together its origins. Right after the Big Bang, the universe went through an unimaginable growth spurt called inflation. In less than 1/1,000,000th of a second, it expanded exponentially, doubling in size at least 90 times. This rapid expansion laid the foundation for everything that followed. In the first 3 minutes, the universe was still far too hot for light to shine. Instead, it was a dense soup of particles, like protons and neutrons. But as the universe cooled, these particles started combining to form the first light elements, like hydrogen and helium. Even then, the universe remained too hot and chaotic for light to escape. Fast forward to about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, things finally cooled enough for atoms to form. This process, known as recombination, cleared the cosmic fog and allowed light to travel freely for the first time. That light is still around today as the cosmic microwave background, a faint but powerful clue to the universe's early history. After recombination, the universe entered a dark age, lasting for hundreds of millions of years. During this time, the first stars and galaxies began to form. These early stars emitted intense ultraviolet light, which cleared out the surrounding hydrogen gas, making the universe transparent and full of light once more. With the universe now illuminated, stars and galaxies began to flourish. Astronomers use powerful telescopes like Hubble to study these ancient galaxies, providing clues about the universe's evolution. These galaxies became the building blocks of the vast cosmic structures we see today. About 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was born from a massive cloud of gas and dust, called the solar nebula. Gravity caused the nebula to collapse, forming the sun at its center, with the remaining material coalescing into planets, moons, and asteroids. This marked the beginning of Earth's story. Not everything in the universe is visible. In the 20th century, astronomers discovered dark matter, a mysterious substance that doesn't emit or reflect light, but has a gravitational pull on visible matter. It's thought to make up most of the universe's mass, shaping galaxies and holding the cosmos together. Here's a mind-bending fact. The universe isn't just expanding, it's speeding up. This acceleration, driven by dark energy, is one of science's greatest puzzles. Together, dark energy and dark matter dominate the universe, yet their true nature remains unknown. And that's the story of the universe, from the Big Bang to the present day, in 9 simple steps. In our next video, we'll explore the lives of stars, uncovering how they're born, live, and transform into black holes and neutron stars. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and keep looking up at the stars.